Now these elephants look very well cared for, and these are the ones doing the elephant safari. They're having everything cleaned for them, and I visited the other day and they also have foreign volunteers. Now they did have electrical fences up, but I was told these electrical fences were broken down by wild bulls who were trying to get into the elephant pen to attack the elephants. The elephants attack each other. So there's no tusks on these elephants, which is really interesting if you look closer. And also there's 2,000 army personnel in the park. In the park, protecting the elephants and the rhinos. Whatever happened to the state of humanity? So they're very well cared for, these elephants. And some of them have chained up. And that's so that they don't run away. And at the same time, these fences are down because the wild bulls took them down.